want you to know.
Good morning. Vlog day número 2.
Yep.
It's church o'clock.
Yep.
Let's go.
Super D, double team, icing never melts. Buttercream, at church we party hard. Conquest, fill out that prayer card. Request, Jesus is in my heart.
It's church o'clock.
I'm blessed, God always plays his
It's church
part.
o'clock.
No scratch. Stop the slopping, no flopping. You see him bopping, not stopping. You couldn't top him or dropping, calling him wishbone.
Elotero, man. No, pues aquí en Arizona, mira, tienen un pinche carrito. Allá todavía andan en bicicleta en California.
I am en route right now to it's not necessarily like the first day, but it kind of is. But it's pretty much, they're going to be meeting in the lobby for a social experience, I guess. And I definitely just want to be a part of it and not just kind of leave it till the first day tomorrow. I know that Joe Budden's already there because I saw his Instagram story. Not that I'm stalking you, Joe Budden, but maybe I am. And I'm hoping to just come back super refreshed with the thought process of how business functions and how to serve the market better, how to be a better steward of the skill set collectively here at Mass Entertainment. And I'm just hoping to get some golden nuggets, build network relationships. I know that when I went to NAMM, I mean, that itself was a great bonding experience with other DJs, and it wasn't necessarily like a DJ meetup. It just so happened, like that just was the nature of the game, whether it was through like YouTube or other social media platforms that this happened. But yeah, just excited. That's it. Hello. I'm here for the DJ recharge thing. I guess they're going to be at the bar or in
Yeah, so bar's straight ahead here. I'm not sure where exactly they're sitting.
Okay.
The meeting is actually tomorrow in the gallery room too.
Okay, this is the gallery over here? Mm-hmm. Okay. Awesome. Cool. Thank you.
It's gonna look from my face. Our DJ school.
Yep. All right.
Now it's locked in.
My DJs. Like during
It follows me. Yep. That's cool.
The
That's
DJ
cool.
getting streamed.
Yeah, so it's super cool, man. And then it has like different things you can do. Highly recommended.
That's sick.
Mike Villa said he's gonna make a return to YouTube.
It's happening right here. Mark my words.
He
2028.
says he's gonna get like a $6,000 camera rig
Yeah.
and make this shit happen.
Yeah. 2028. Watch out. Coming for it. YouTube. Y'all been warned.
2028?
Yeah. 2028.
Hey, let him know who you are right here real quick.
DJ Shine, baby. ECF Entertainment, let's go.
Out of where?
Ooh, out of where?
Boston, Massachusetts, kid.
Boston.
You know.
The ones that are left here are the survivors, by the way. These are the survivors right here.
Me and Lowe's actually just hung out in the lobby. We haven't
Or the drunkards, I don't know.
Yeah,
One of those.
one of the two. One of the two, baby.
Your tab was 250, my tab was at least 250.
So let them know that you're making a return to YouTube.
Making a return to YouTube. This is my my prayer to the world here.
Amen. Let them know.
One video per week,
Let's go.
56 weeks, 52, however many weeks are in a year.
That's facts. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Listen, I'm just trying to get fucking monetized.
Let's go.
I'm just trying to hit 1,000. You're at 7,000. I'm at 440.
He's got way more than us.
No.
Here's the thing.
No.
I talk about fucking lights and products. Like that's
Spicy margarita.
it's not.
It wasn't
Bang Bang Brent right here.
Bang Bang Brett.
This is the dude. This
So,
is the dude.
all right, Bang Bang Brett. Let him know.
He's a Chauvet representative.
Yes. Lighting inventory. Subscribe below. That's how we do it. That's how we do it.
Let's go.
Finally back home at my sister's place, and all in all, really great experience. I got there and I kind of had like the pre-game jitters. So I just went to the bar and I was just like chilling, you know, ordered a water and just kind of figured out where the DJs were, because I don't want to be like a dumb butt, like insert myself to a certain group and they're not even DJs. So I kind of was just kind of like checking out the scope first before I went ahead and introduced myself, and I finally did. And a lot of great conversations were had about, you know, beer burros. I know, it's a thing. And also just upgrades, structures, pricing, and I connected with people who I hadn't seen in a long time. The last time I saw DJ Mike Villa was at NAMM, I think in 2019, 2020. That's just where I met him. I also met Jared there. I also met DJ Mojo there. And DJ Mojo wasn't here at this conference, but Jared and Mike Villa are. Mike's actually going to be one of the speakers. I know he's all grown up, guys. So just excited tomorrow for the first official day of the conference that's going to be spearheaded by Joe Bunn, Jason Janai, and DJ Brian B. And I can't wait to share the content that I capture, and hopefully it's of use to you guys. I know I haven't dove in specifically into it, but this is kind of just like a lead up to all that is going to happen, and just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of the landscape here in Arizona with my family dynamic, with my siblings especially, and why I am as funny and as hilarious as I am. So, good night. Make sure you hit that like button. It's down here somewhere. And then hit that subscribe button, notifications, all that good stuff. Let's go.